How to change your email on TurboTax. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate how to change your email on TurboTax. First of all, open up your web browser and type in turbotax.intuit.com in the address bar, then press enter. Once you are on the official site of TurboTax, ensure that you are logged into one of your accounts by entering your phone number, email, or your user ID in the text box. Select the Sign In button, enter your password in the next page, and click Continue. Once you are logged in, click on the Intuit Account button at the bottom left. You will be taken away to a new page. Click on the Sign In and Security tab on the left-hand corner. Under Email Address, give it a click. Enter the new email address you'd like to use for the account and confirm the email address by retyping it again on the next field. After doing so, click Save, and soon after you'll be able to change your email address for your TurboTax account. This is how you can change your email on TurboTax. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.